Ever stared at your Pibank account and wondered, how much can I actually do with this? You're not alone. Navigating the world of online banking often comes with questions about limits. How much can I send? How much can I receive? And what are the boundaries of my account? Today, we're diving deep into that very question. What exactly is the limit on Pibank? Pibank, like most financial institutions, employs various limits to ensure the security of your funds and comply with regulatory requirements. These limits aren't arbitrary. They're carefully considered measures designed to protect both you and the bank from potential fraud and financial crime. Think of them as safety nets, preventing large, unauthorized transactions from wreaking havoc on your finances. Now, the tricky part is that there isn't a single, universal Pibank limit. Instead, you'll find a range of limits that apply to different types of transactions and account activities. These can include daily or monthly limits on transfers to other accounts, maximum balances you can hold, and even limits on the amount you can withdraw at ATMs. One of the most common questions revolves around transfer limits. How much money can you send to another Pibank account or to an account at a different bank? These limits often vary depending on your account type, your transaction history, and sometimes even the level of verification you've completed. For instance, a newly opened account might have lower transfer limits compared to an account that has been active for a longer period with a proven track record of legitimate transactions. Similarly, deposit limits exist, although they are often less restrictive than withdrawal or transfer limits. Pibank, like other banks, needs to manage its overall liquidity, and deposit limits help ensure a stable flow of funds. However, for most everyday users, these limits are rarely a concern. ATM withdrawal limits are another important aspect to consider. These limits are typically set on a daily basis and are designed to minimize potential losses if your card falls into the wrong hands. The specific amount you can withdraw might depend on your account type and the ATM network you're using. So, how do you actually find out your specific Pibank limits? The most reliable way is to directly consult Pibank's official resources. Their website often has a dedicated FAQ section or a page detailing transaction limits. You can also log in to your online banking portal or mobile app, where your current limits are usually displayed within your account settings or transaction history. If you can't find the information online, don't hesitate to reach out to Pibank's customer service. They will be able to provide you with the most up-to-date and accurate information regarding the limits applicable to your specific account. Remember, these limits can sometimes be adjusted based on your individual needs and relationship with the bank, so it's always worth inquiring if your current limits don't quite meet your requirements. Understanding these limits is crucial for smooth and efficient banking. Knowing your transfer limits, for example, can prevent unexpected delays when you need to make a large payment. Similarly, being aware of your withdrawal limits ensures you can access the funds you need when you're on the go. While there isn't a single answer to the question of Pibank's limit, it's essential to understand that various limits exist for different types of transactions and account activities. The best way to know your specific limits is to consult Pibank's official resources or contact their customer service directly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.